Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to sort the numbers in your Google Sheets record in ascending or descending order. So what you want to do first is select the top of the column with all the numbers you'd like to arrange. Then click on Data and select Sort Range. Then Advanced Range Sorting Options. Now, if your data has a header row like mine does, make sure to tick this box. Then it's already selected as sort by numbers. And if you'd like, you could change this sorting option from A to Z to Z to A. And A to Z is ascending order, Z to A is a descending order. I'd like to sort mine in ascending order. So just select your desired option and click on sort. And as you can see now, all the numbers in this column have been sorted in ascending order. And that's it for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.